Hello, welcome to another bite-sized bulletin video. Today I'm going to show you how to scan and share documents using iPhone notes. First of all, open up the Notes app, and in the bottom right hand corner you have the new note icon. Tap this to create a new note. Now within the note you need to press the camera icon and then scan document. You then need to find the document that you would like to scan. In this case I'm going to scan my screen as a test. Now take the picture when you're ready of the document. Now that you've taken the picture, drag the four corners in to meet the document width. There you go. So when you're happy with that, all you need to do is press Keep Scan. Now you can see the scan has been converted into a PDF document. What you need to do is you need to tap in the bottom left corner and you can edit the scan. So in this case, I'm going to press the second icon in from the left. This will allow me to change the color of the scan. So I'm going to choose black and white in this instance. When I'm happy with the scan, I'm going to press Done and then Save. This will add the scan to your notes. In order to share this scan, you need to tap it, and then in the top right you have the share icon. Press Share, then choose your desired mailing app to send the scan to one of your colleagues. So in this case, you either have Mail or you have Outlook. Thanks for watching another bite-sized bulletin video by The Final Step.